Hi, my name is Somnath.
Hi, I'm Mala.
So, welcome to our home. We have a 2 BHK apartment in Gudi in Casa Grande Troyes in Bangalore. Let us just take us through our home tour. So this is our TV unit. So the laminate selection is white and the light green of wooden finish. Along with we have some louvers which golden sparkles. So the idea behind was to keep it very light and airy and to give the room a more of an broader feel. And one of the prime requirement that no cable should be visible, so that has been well executed here. The TV unit has a glass partition for all the artifacts, which is highlighted by the spotlights. There is one spotlight here, there is a single ledge, and it covers 3 spotlights, which actually complements the entire look of the TV unit. In our living area, we do have a wooden paneling to the entire living area, which is actually overlapping our puja unit.
This is our puja unit. We have again maintained the look very airy. We have used CNC design and painted it with Duco. Our choice of color was white just to make the look more brighter. We have kept our very beloved Ganpati here, and we have kept ledges here that accentuates the entire look, and the laminate maintained is white. So flowers, Ganpati, and this brings an aura to our home.
This is our crockery unit. So it has a white countertop which is made of quartz, and there is a mirror which is kind of giving a feeling of a fox window, again similar white finishing. And all the 3 drawers comes with soft close mechanism, frosty white. There is a wine counter and it is finished with Duco paint, again complementing the entire crockery unit. We wanted to keep an open crockery unit, hence we went with a kind of transparent glass.
We wanted a basin here, and we have installed a designer basin. The basin is placed on the top of a white quartz, and this is the basin cabinet that contains the daily utility items. This is also a soft close mechanism. Again, to accentuate the look, we have added a mirror here, that is a designer mirror again. So this completes the entire look of the basin. We have installed the curtains here. Curtain we have used 2, one sheer curtain and one blackout curtain. The color of the curtains are maintained as white and a blue, so that it again adds to the airy finish of our look. We have used pelmet with a wooden grain laminate to hide the curtain drawer.
So we have a false ceiling. So the false ceiling, we wanted a very minimal look and a clean look, so it just covers the periphery. But to maintain uniformity, the curtain laminate is matched with the periphery of the false ceiling, so just to give it a uniform look. And also the lights which are used are tricolor lights, so it changes the colors between white, cool white and warm tone as per your ambience requirement. This is our kitchen. So again it's finished with a white quartz, and the laminate is of acrylic, and we have white and grey laminate finish. The idea was to keep it very simple, so entire implementation you will see is totally handleless, so there are no handles running throughout the kitchen, which gives it more of a clean look. It was quite a challenge to actually put in so much things in this compact dimension, but I would say the entire orientation has came out pretty well.
So we have 3 tandem boxes here. We have a bottle unit here. We have additional storage space here that to keep our utensils and daily necessities. This side we have a tall unit. We have again used 2 colors, white and grey. And the tall unit, the top part, we have used a frosted glass that gives a very premium look to the entire kitchen. This is our utility area. We have again utilized a very compact space in a very judicious way. We have installed 2 wicker baskets here. We have foldable shelf here that we have converted into a tea corner. And this side is a basin unit where we wash our utensils like normal household. We have concealed the basin pipes, and that is also given an additional space to keep the dustbins. On the top also we have a box where we store the washed utensils. So this is effective and makes our utility area very usable.
This is your guest bedroom. So we do have an integrated dresser with wardrobe. So the dresser has a long running mirror and 2 storage, which is kind of a drawer. And coming inside, if you see again, the same neat look is being maintained. It has white, frosty white laminates, and this is a sliding wardrobe. And in middle we have lacquered glass of grey finishing. Again, it gives a more of an airy look and maintaining the look pretty neat with no handles running throughout. And then coming to the false ceiling, we have the false ceiling running through the entire room to give like more of a complete and a slightly more of a premium look. And again, like multicolor lights been implemented here. So coming to the study unit. So this is a pretty big size study unit we wanted. So this is the need of our with the COVID. We wanted a good study unit in place. To give it a good ambience, we have a long running shelves where we can keep multiple artifacts. It is highlighted well with the proper placements of the lights, which we call as drop lights. So the drop lights definitely ensure that everything you keep it gets highlighted. We have grey laminate finishing, 1 drawer and some storage up here as well. And to match it up, we have a sea green, that's the curtains. Welcome to our master bedroom. So coming here, we do see we have a king size bed here with storage, and we do have 2 drawers here down where you can actually store some of your artifacts. We have 50% of hydraulic storage in the bed for some additional storage, and we wanted a soft headboard, so there's some cushioning work done and with borders highlighting. So, and to complement it both, we have 2 side tables on each side. We have a wardrobe area. So this is an openable wardrobes with long doors and handleless lofts again. So just to give a neat look, and just to complement it out, we have a borders running with the grains of wood to just give it a more complete look. And coming to the false ceiling, we do have again periphery false ceiling, LED lights running through the periphery, and it's like multicolor lights again.
We have a full-size mirror here with 3 vanity units where we have used a different kind of a laminate that adds to the glamour of the vanity units. And here we have a canvas painted curtain that goes with the paint of our room. We have again hidden the curtain rods using a velvet of wooden grains.
And come to end, we have our best friend Alexa with the entire home automation. So Alexa, can you turn on the puja light?
Okay.
So here it is. So Alexa helps us in our day-to-day jobs, makes it easy with the entire home automation. Thank you. Hi, so you might have gone through all the implementation that has been done by the Woodwell Interiors. So I must say thanks to Mr. Manoj and Yogesh for putting this project so well. So when we started our designing, so one of the things that was in my mind was to get finishing that is of factory finishing. That's primarily because we wanted a very neat and a clean look, and along with the strength to go hand in hand. And I must say it has came pretty well, and the team was very supportive throughout the process. So we were planning a early stage of maybe Jan, Feb, and then just COVID happened, and after that we resumed our work. We designed, and once the design was finalized or frozen, the team was able to deliver the project on time and with every perfection that we were looking out for.
Yes, absolutely. We had a few things in mind. We wanted a very workable home, like it will be comfortable and at the same time something of our own. So we had a pretty good number of designs in our mind. So we shared them with Manoj and Yogesh, and they implemented it really well. They implemented it to exactly what we thought it to be. So right now we have it's a very compact house and a very workable house. So everything is in place with a very solid design, and that has come out very beautifully. Like the house looks beautiful at the end of the day. So we are very happy with what the project has turned into. Thank you Manoj, thank you Yogesh for making our home dream home.